Hang aluminum foil on your plants. Your garden will thank you for it. This method deserves a medal. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee contains caffeine and antioxidants, which have extraordinary properties, especially in the garden. Now, time for bay leaves. Highly aromatic, they have antibacterial and repellent effects. This is true garden gold. Crush 2 smaller bay leaves into small pieces. The next ingredient is hot red pepper. It releases a really strong, irritating smell. This is an important part of the mix. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Prepare a larger piece of aluminum foil. Place 1 tablespoon of the prepared mixture in the center. Fold the foil to form a smaller square packet. Take a toothpick and make several small holes across the surface of the foil. This step is crucial. Hang the finished packets on your plants in the garden, securing them with a clip. On flowers or shrubs, this acts as a natural barrier. It repels aphids, snails, ants, and other pests that can't stand the smell of this mixture. Additionally, the foil itself, by reflecting light, discourages insects from approaching the plants. It's a natural and safe solution to keep unwanted guests away.